Good morning Salesforce family. Welcome back to ShubhCode Daily News. I'm covering the top Salesforce stories for August 22, 2026. Let's jump in. Story number 1, Data 360 Headless, connecting external AI agents and dev tools to Salesforce data. Salesforce is extending its Data 360 capabilities to a headless architecture, allowing external AI agents and development tools to query and interact with live Salesforce data. So, what does this actually mean for you? This allows developers to build and run AI agents on external platforms, like Anthropic's Claude or AWS, while seamlessly and securely querying Salesforce Data Cloud. You no longer have to build complex custom middleware just to feed Salesforce data into external developer tools or custom LLMs. The positive takeaway here is, unlocks massive flexibility, allowing developers to use their preferred AI frameworks and developer tools directly with securely governed Salesforce data. However, you should watch out, because, requires strict API monitoring and robust data governance to prevent external tools from running up massive API consumption costs or bypassing standard Salesforce UI validations. Story number 2, Re-architecting Requirements, a framework for Salesforce professionals. This architectural guide details a repeatable 4-step framework to decompose business requests using why, what, and how instead of blindly building them. So, what does this actually mean for you? This teaches Salesforce admins and developers how to stop acting as simple order takers for business stakeholders. By learning how to properly analyze and challenge requirements, you can design cleaner, out-of-the-box Salesforce solutions instead of over-engineering with custom code. The positive takeaway here is, empowers you to reduce technical debt and build highly scalable orgs by steering stakeholders towards standard Salesforce features. However, you should watch out, because, requires strong soft skills, diplomacy, and confidence to push back on demanding business users who insist on specific custom designs. Story number 3, Apache Ossie, standardizing semantic data models for AI integrations. The Open Semantic Interchange has entered the Apache incubator as Apache Ossie, aiming to standardize how AI and data systems share context and metadata. So, what does this actually mean for you? As Salesforce pushes heavily into data cloud and AI agents, standardizing semantic metadata is crucial. This open-source move means that integrating Salesforce's data models with external enterprise data lakes, like Snowflake or Databricks, will become significantly easier, and less reliant on proprietary mapping tools. The positive takeaway here is, reduces vendor lock-in and simplifies complex zero-copy integrations between Salesforce and external data platforms. However, you should watch out, because the project is still in the Apache incubator phase, enterprise-wide adoption and stable developer tooling will take time to mature. And that's a wrap on today's Salesforce news. To recap, Data 360 Headless, connecting external AI agents and dev tools to Sale. Re-architecting Requirements, a framework for Salesforce professionals. Apache Ossie, standardizing semantic data models for AI integrations. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with daily Salesforce news on ShubhCode. See you tomorrow.